What is the Classic? The Classic is the third leg of the Triple Crown after the General Clinton in New York, the Osalo Bench. It's a 3-day race. It's more sprint than here, but there is...
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question for you before I ask John his final question. How many people out there are interested in running the marathon next year? Can I see you raise a hands? Well, I think you're all crazy, but other than
There's swimmers. Yeah, that's less than the front. Go, Try and pass him. That's Sarah and Adam.
Music.
Let's go, Mike. Let's go, Don.
Doing good. What was that, about 16, 17? Come on! Alright. That was cool.
Oh, that's Alan Bard. Lucien, en bas, si tu m'as vu, t'avais 5 minutes 5 sur Nick. 5:05. OK? Ça va, Guido? Here we go, guys.
Come on, Nick!
Hey! Good job, Nick! Good job, Chris!
Yeah, there's something in. Come on, Nick!
Good job, Nick! Good job, Chris!
Yeah, there's something in almost 8 minutes.
Let's go, Chris! Come on,
Almost 8 minutes back.
Looking good, Walton. Let's go!
Still.
Come on, green on that! 1 minute!
Good.
Lâchez-les pas, c'est leur bon bout!
Still.
Come on, green on that! 1 minute!
Good.
Lâchez-les pas, c'est leur bon bout!
2 minutes 55, Guillaume, il marche la rampe fermée. Il marche la rampe fermée.
Come on!
Il marche la rampe fermée. Il marche la rampe fermée.
Come on!
That was less than. Oh, let's go, guys. Let's go, Tim and Chad.
Let's go, Clark!
Let's go, Don. Let's go, Mike. Come on, Mike. Here we go, Wes. Let's go, Wes. Let's go, Dom. Let's go, Seven. Go, Zach, Mac! Here we go, Zach! Come on, Don. Come on, Mike.
Go ahead,
Way to go, Ryan!
Next thing we ain't doing this.
Go, Ryan! Second place,
Like it's not.
way to go, Ryan! Go, Ken, keep the legs moving!
Zach, go West End! Go 210! Tim. Let's go, fellas. Let's go, fellas. There you go, Timmy. There you go. Let's get him, boy. Let's go, Tim.
Let you know that the sidewalk.
Go, Mike.
Come on, Flip!
Come on, Matt!
Come on, Flip! Come on, Teddy!
Go, Flash, go! Go, Matt, go!
As a man of integrity,
After we get done here, I'll let you know. Oh, got another one coming in behind one.
He said no, it's the other way around. Or vice versa. You said something and like, no, the other boat was leave it now.
Do you guys know that the boat 9-5 dropped in?
These are fun. And then the seconds are 12 and 15.
12 and 16?
15.
15.
Yep. You Number 28.
28?
No, they have tape over it.
everybody's like, oh, yeah, crazy.
Here, Alex.
Two more behind them.
They're in front of the line. Come on, Drew!
Hang on a minute.
Come on, Drew, get in first! Dump and grab that water. Let's go, Wesley!
The times are that close together. Tenth of a second apart. I know, that's it, exactly.
Let's go!
Come on, Joe! Come on, Sean! Come on, Joe! Come on, Joey!
Come on, Donnie. Let's go, Don. Come on, Mike. He's having a really good race this year. They're doing good.
Like I am visually looking at it, and it says Mike. Go, kid!
All right.
Right here, they got about 5 minutes. I'm right here. 5 minutes. Feeling good.
You
now.
can do it. You can do it.
All right. Time to pick.
Looking good, guys.
Go, Jake. Come on, man.
Jake.
Come on.
Doing good, guys.
Made up the time, yeah.
Yeah.
Get by.
Behind them. Keep going. Good job. Good job.
Go, Pat. Go.
I wonder who this is coming. Maybe. She's wearing a pink shirt. That's her. It's my Bye. Good job.
Go, Clark. Come on.
All right. Come on. And another one coming. Have a good day.
Oh man, I was right there. Balled up, he went rock there,
Come on, Wes. Come on, Danny.
Let's go, Team Medina!
Not long after.
Go, John.
Great, it was great. Let's go.
Come on, John. Drew, let's go.
What time right now, Drew? You put
being dictated, you know.
Come on, Phil. Come on, Gary. Come on.
Get in the current. Get him out there, Gary. Good job.
Oh, yeah, maybe he'll feel better, you know, like through this next stretch. I lose count. Time wise. 11 right now. And they were here just before 8.
Got this, go! Let's go, We'll see ya, coach!
Come on, Mike. Come on, Don.
Let's go, Joey! Let's go, Mike! Let's do this! Look at him, guys! Go, 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 go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Get him! Get there, you guys! Let's go! Push it!
Back down for you. Will you hold it all the time?
That is canoe number 1 coming down the stretch. Take the checkered flag for the 8th straight year. Canoe number 1, Andrew Treebold and Steve LaJoie are making their way towards the finish line. Finish line. 8 straight years as the Saddle River Canoe Marathon champions. Andrew Treebold and Steve LaJoie. Second canoe has come around the bend, and that is canoe number 66. That is Matthew Pellerin, 25 from Quebec, and Guillaume Blais, 29 also from Matthew Pellerin, and 29-year-old Guillaume Blais going to be the second canoe across the finish line. Taking their first ever checkered flag of the 2015 El Salvador Canoe Marathon. Congratulations, gentlemen, on a race well paddle. Making its way towards the finish line. Some 15 hours after starting off in Grayling last night. That is canoe number 98 making its way towards us. Finishing third in the 2015 El Salvador Canoe Marathon. Congratulations, gentlemen, on a great canoe race.
Let's have a party!
is canoe number 2. Ken Kalinich from Eaton Rapids, Michigan. And Ryan Halstead from 15 on Saddle River Canoe Marathon. Ken Kalinich, Ryan Halstead. Congratulations, gentlemen. Richard Locke from Grocio. And Alan Hunter from Grayling. 42-year-old Richard Locke from Grocio. And 34-year-old Colin Hunter from Grayling. Congratulations, gentlemen. As you take the checkered flag of the 2015 Saddle River Canoe Marathon. That is canoe number 80 coming towards us. Yeah, we got this. Where's that over there? Canoe number 80. That is Dustin Willoughby of Homer. And 19-year-old Zach Mack of Grayling. Coming to the checkered flag. Weston and Zach, congratulations on a race well paddle. Some good Southern boys making coming to that checkered flag. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our 12th canoe is paddling towards the finish line, and this one features our first female paddler. This is canoe number 55. That is 24-year-old Mike Davis and 25-year-old Rebecca Davis making their way towards the finish line. Mike and Rebecca, congratulations on a great race. Our 12th canoe across the finish line, taking the checkered flag. Congratulations. The checkered flag, the 13th canoe across the finish line. And Andy Fry, 34 from Grayling, congratulations on taking the checkered flag as the 15th canoe across the finish line. Here they come, our 16th canoe across the finish line. Gabriel Jr. from Grayling, congratulations, gentlemen. The top 20 finish at the 2015 Saddle River Canoe Marathon race. Canoe number 85, it is Bruce Barton of Homer, Michigan, and Gloria Wesley. Ready to take that checkered flag and paddling hard right to the finish. Our 21st canoe to take the checkered flag. Here they come. That is Wesley Dean from Grayling and Daniel Medina from Roscommon. Canoe number 9. Here they come paddling hard right to that checkered flag. They're the 22nd canoe across the finish line. Congratulations, Wesley and Daniel on our 20th. John Webb, 55 from Oscoda. A biological science technician, best finish. He's going to improve on that for Chris. Best finish is 24th. Another 24th place finish. Congratulations as you take that checkered flag. Race well paddled. From Roscommon, Tim McClure, also of Roscommon. Brett Builder and Tim's retired. 7th canoe to cross the finish line. Here they come. Canoe number 88, the double A. Come to the finish line. Joe Loosby of Roscommon. Michael Guerin of Washington Township. Paddling hard right to the end. Congratulations, gentlemen, as you take the checkered flag as our 2018. And 45-year-old Gary Montgomery, sponsored by Gary Oil.